Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best gallery department tote bag available right now, the Women Canvas Tote Handbag by UICIOP. This tote stands out not just for its style but for its practical design and versatile usage, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable everyday bag. The bag is crafted from 100% cotton canvas, giving it that classic, durable feel you expect from a quality tote. It's imported and features a buckle closure combined with a magnetic button for secure and easy access. Inside, the bag is lined with polyester, which helps protect your belongings and adds a smooth finish to the interior. In terms of size, this tote measures approximately 17.3 inches in length, 15 inches in height, and 5.5 inches in width. This generous space means you can carry everything from your daily essentials to work materials with ease. The lightweight design, weighing just over a pound, ensures that you won't be weighed down even when it's full. One of the most impressive features of this tote is its multi-carry capability. It comes with a long shoulder strap, allowing you to wear it in 3 distinct ways: carried by hand, slung over one shoulder, or worn crossbody. This versatility makes it suitable for all genders and a wide range of occasions, from casual outings to work and travel. The exterior of the bag sports a stylish letter-printed design, adding a unique flair without overwhelming the simplicity of the canvas material. Plus, there's thoughtful attention to practicality with multiple compartments to keep your items organized. Caring for this tote is straightforward. It's best maintained by hand washing, which keeps the fabric looking fresh and durable over time. Overall, the UICIOP Women Canvas Tote Handbag blends fashion and function seamlessly. Whether you're heading to the office, running errands, or going on a weekend trip, this tote promises to keep up with your lifestyle while complementing your outfit. That wraps up our review of the best gallery department tote bag. If you're interested in a bag that offers durability, style, and flexibility all in one, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to check out our channel for more honest and detailed product insights.